do you want to say hello to everyone?
Hello.
Hello everybody. Today we have been sent a Minnie Mouse Turnstyler, Magic Turnstyler for our little lady to review.
Yeah.
Yeah? Who's in there?
Minnie.
You can see Minnie Mouse. And what else has she got in there?
And naughty.
And she's got some shoes, hasn't she?
This is.
And a dress.
Yeah, this stuff.
Yeah, so should we get out? What else?
A bow.
A bow. There are lots of things that Minnie Mouse has got, hasn't there?
And socks.
And she's got socks. Wow, shall we open the box?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's open the box.
Let's open it.
Open the box. You want Minnie Mouse first?
No, Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse got a bow on her head.
She got a bow on her head?
Yeah. Yeah. I need to stop him.
Oh, she's stuck in there pretty good. Look, she's got magic fingers. I was just going to cut this. Cut this around. Can we get her out okay? That's the stickers of the Turnstyler. There you go, there's Minnie Mouse. So Minnie Mouse, it looks like she's got lots of different dresses. Do you want to have a look?
Yeah.
So what's she got on at the minute? She's got a pink dress on, hasn't she? And pink shoes. And what else have we got here then? So she's got a pink dress, and then we've got a purple dress.
A purple.
And a blue and a pink dress. Look, there's some hangers. And a camera. And some blue shoes. You have to take her other dress off first. And some purple shoes. And two different colour bows, look, a purple and a blue bow. Look, and you can hang our clothes up like that, look. Do you want to see how the dress comes off? You just pop it off at the back like that and you can change your dress. Look at that. Oh, do you want to try a different dress on her? Or do you want the pink one back on? I'll show you. Let's go over her shoulders. Look.
On this off.
You take her shoes off.
Make these shoes.
That's right.
Hair.
Do you want the purple dress on?
Yeah.
So it goes over her shoulders like that.
And then there's arms.
That's it, over the arms.
And this off.
You're going to put a different bow on her.
Yeah.
And then you just button it up at the back, like that.
And these shoes in a bow.
What bow are you going to put on her? Oh look, she looks funny without a bow on. Should we put the purple bow on? And her purple shoes?
And this one.
Purple or blue shoes?
And a blue one.
You have a blue one. Shall I have a look at how we make the Turnstyler? lights at the top, there. What if you open it? Does it do it if you open it as well? You have to push it down. Open it up. What does it do if you open it up? Oh! Made another noise. Oh!
You don't like it.
Well, perhaps you didn't put it all the way across. Push it down. Little press it down.
On this.
Yeah, and then you close. You have to make sure the door goes right the way round. Move this round, look. Oh! You got to clip her legs into there. Other way round. Clip her legs in and go, look, whoa, she's on a catwalk. Okay? You've got to push it right round and it make a noise. Do you like that noise? Yeah?